Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox on Xbox 360. Unfortunately, it's important to understand right from the start that Roblox is not available on the Xbox 360 console. This means there isn't a way to download, install, or play Roblox directly on that specific system. The Xbox 360's architecture and software are simply not compatible with the game's requirements, making any attempts to install it impossible. We'll delve deeper into why this is the case and what your actual options are for playing Roblox. The primary reason Roblox cannot run on an Xbox 360 is due to significant differences in technology and system requirements. Roblox is a continuously evolving platform that demands more advanced processing power, memory, and a modern operating system than the Xbox 360 can provide. Microsoft and Roblox Corporation have focused their development efforts on current-generation hardware. The Xbox 360, released nearly 2 decades ago, simply doesn't meet the technical specifications needed to support the game's dynamic and expansive experiences. It's a matter of hardware and software compatibility. While the Xbox 360 isn't an option, you have many other excellent platforms to enjoy Roblox. The game is fully supported on newer Microsoft consoles, including the Xbox One and the latest Xbox Series X and Series S. For computer users, Roblox runs seamlessly on both Windows PCs and Mac operating systems. Furthermore, you can take Roblox with you on the go, as it's readily available on a wide range of mobile devices, including Apple iOS and Android smartphones and tablets. Recently, Roblox also launched on PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5, expanding its reach even further. To start playing Roblox on a supported platform, the process is straightforward. First, confirm your device meets the minimum system requirements, which are generally quite accessible for modern hardware. Next, simply navigate to your device's official App Store, whether it's the Microsoft Store on Xbox, the App Store on iOS, Google Play on Android, or the Roblox website for PC and Mac, and download the free Roblox application. Once installed, you can easily create a new, free account or log in with your existing credentials to immediately dive into the vast world of Roblox experiences. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.